Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make the single crochet increase and decrease. The commonly used abbreviation for increase is INC and for decrease is DEC. And these are the symbols. They are just two single crochets that are attached at the bottom for increase and at the top for decrease. For this tutorial, I will be using some 8-ply acrylic yarn along with a 6mm hook. So let's get started with the stitch. I have here with me 7 single crochets. If you have not yet seen our video on how to make a single crochet, I have left the link in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and chain one and turn my work. So an increase is relatively easy. So make a single crochet like you normally would. Instead of inserting a hook into the next stitch, insert your hook in the same place where you just made a stitch. So you see, we just made an increase. So an increase is nothing but working more than one stitch in the same place. 1 and 2. Can you see that? It's already curving the work. Sometimes the pattern will require you to make more than 2 stitches in the same time. I mean the same place. So if you need to make 3 stitches in the same place, go ahead and keep making stitches until you have the right number. Keep working this way. I will meet you at the end of this row and show you how the piece looks. So can you see how this has turned our work? It has bent it like a little arch. That is because we have made many stitches this side. So this row has more stitches than this row. Therefore, it has curled the work like this. So you can go ahead and practice this a few times. I will chain one turn and show you how to do the decreases. So for decreases, you have to make 1 stitch out of 2 stitches. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull up a loop like you normally would, but do not finish the stitch. What we're going to do is insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. So we now have 3 loops on the hook. So yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at the same time. So we have just made our very first decrease. Let me show you that again. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3. Just keep working this way till the end of the row. Now I will show you what the piece looks like. I have finished this piece, this row I mean. Can you see how the work is cupping over itself? I think you can see that. That is because we have increased in the second row and decreased in the third row. This is how we use increases and decreases to shape our projects. You will understand this better once you start making bigger projects. For now, keep practicing the increase and the decrease, and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make the half double crochet. Happy hooking!